Hi, welcome to Yoga Flow with Kim. I'm Kim, and today I'm going to be guiding you through breathwork, pranayama, and meditation to put your brain in a specific wavelength. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So the first brainwave frequency I'm going to talk about is gamma. Gamma is the peak mental state. It's between 32 and 100 hertz. Tibetan monks were studied, and Tibetan monks have shown that through meditation, there have been studies on Tibetan monks who have been able to achieve prolonged states of gamma. The average human being experiences gamma frequencies very quickly. So we want to balance gamma. So the way that we do that is through pranayama and meditation. When you're in a gamma frequency, you also experience strong empathy and kindness. So I'm going to teach you a specific breathing technique called Brahmari pranayama, otherwise known as bumblebee breath. So what you're going to do is take your thumbs and just plug up your ears, and then you're going to take your fingers over your eyes, cover up your eyes, ring fingers gently press into the nostrils, and we're basically going to hum. This is why it's called humming bee breath. So take a deep breath in, and we're going to close the lips and gently part the teeth as we hum. So let's try it. I encourage you to practice this pranayama for 3 to 5 minutes, and as you do this pranayama, I encourage you to think of people that you love, the people that you love the most and have the most empathy for, and allow those feelings of love and kindness to wash over you. Let me know how this practice feels for you. If you have an imbalance of gamma, you may have poor memory or learning difficulties. Brahmari pranayama also increases mental alertness, can lower hypertension, and decrease migraines. The other benefits of this practice are listed in the description. The next frequency we're going to ride is the beta frequency. This frequency occurs when our brain is in a hyper alert state, which can serve us in our work. However, most of us are experiencing too much beta because we're too stressed. So I'm going to guide you through a practice that lowers your beta frequency. A breathing technique that can reduce beta is called Sheetali breathing. So what you're going to do is curl your tongue, and you're going to inhale through the mouth and exhale through the nose. So curling the tongue, take a deep breath in. Then close the mouth and exhale through the nose. And try a few rounds. Maybe close the eyes. I encourage you to practice this breathing technique for about 3 to 5 minutes. And if you're in a very hyper-stressed state, this technique can calm you down and help balance your beta. The beta frequency is between 14 to 32 hertz. The beta frequency can really serve us well when we need to be hyper alert in stressful situations. However, many of us are experiencing too much stress in our lives. When we have too much beta, we have high anxiety and our monkey mind is going crazy. So I'm going to show you how to reduce beta. The alpha frequency is our creative frequency. It's when we're painting, drawing, sculpting, writing, creating music. We are in an alpha wavelength. So there's many ways to achieve this creative brainwave frequency. I'm going to show you a breathing technique called Kapalabhati. We want to increase our alpha state for creativity, so this breathing technique will help you do that. This is also known as breath of fire. The alpha frequency is between 8 to 14 hertz. So breath of fire, you're going to inhale through the belly and exhale short, quick exhales through the nose, snapping the navel in as you exhale through the nose. Short, quick exhales. So the inhale is passive, the exhale is active. So it looks like this. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, snap the navel in. Your eyes can be open or closed as you do this practice. You may want a tissue nearby if you have any congestion, but this is what helps stimulate your alpha state. I encourage you to practice this breathing technique for 3 to 5 minutes, and as you do, maybe close your eyes and visualize the color of blue entering the crown of your head and traveling through your whole body. So if you practice Kapalabhati breathing with your eyes closed, you will often see a blue light. So when you hear this concept of, oh, this idea just came out of the blue, that's where that stems from, because the alpha waves are the color of blue. If you're an artist and you ever feel blocked creatively, this breathing technique can help stimulate alpha waves in your brain. Our theta frequency, between 4 to 8 hertz, is our subconscious mind. Now, when we can tap into our subconscious mind through deep meditation, we can have self-discovery and healing. So if you're feeling ungrounded, insecure, or worried, accessing theta can help you tap into your subconscious mind, which can lead to healing traumas, healing repressed memories, and an overall sense of well-being. So to access theta, a breathing technique I'm going to show you is alternate nostril pranayama, Nadi Shodhana. So you can take your index finger and middle finger in like this. Take your right thumb, cover up your right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left. Pause, cover up the left, exhale through the right. Deep breath in through the right. Pause, cover up the right, exhale through the left. Deep breath in through the left. Pause, cover up the left, exhale through the right. Deep breath in through the right. Pause, cover up the right, exhale through the left. And keep alternating the nostril before each exhale. I encourage you to practice this breathing technique for 3 to 5 minutes. And as you do this, think of creating a little inward journey for yourself. See if you can observe your thoughts that may arise without judging your thoughts, without attaching any stories to your thoughts, and even without identifying with your thoughts. Just think of this as an inward journey as you practice this alternate pranayama. And this breathing technique can also help balance the 2 hemispheres of your brain, balance hormones. The other benefits are listed in the description of this video. Delta frequency is 0.5 to 4 hertz. The delta frequency is the unconscious mind when we're sleeping. So if you experience insomnia, trouble sleeping, this frequency is what you need. I'm going to teach you a breathing technique called Sama Vritti, otherwise known as boxed breathing. So all that means is balancing the length of your inhales with the length of your exhales. So we're going to inhale to 4, hold for 4, exhale to 4, and hold for 4. So I encourage you to practice this lying down, especially if you're trying to sleep. Close the eyes, empty out all your air, and we're going to breathe in and out through the nose. Deep breath in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause, hold the breath for 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath out for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath in 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath out 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath in 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it out 4, 3, 2, 1. And I encourage you to practice this box breathing technique until you fall asleep. Now, if you notice thoughts interrupt your concentration, welcome to being human. We all have thoughts. See if you can observe those thoughts without attaching to any stories, without clinging to the thought, without judging the thought, without identifying with that thought. And maybe just think of putting the thought to the side, then gently bring all your attention, all your awareness back to counting the seconds of your breath, and eventually you'll achieve that theta state and slip into a nice deep sleep. So to summarize, we want to increase theta, balance beta, stimulate alpha, access theta, and sharpen delta. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about these practices, please comment below and let me know how these practices feel for you in your life. Thank you so much for watching. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.